Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show how to add text on TikTok for different times. Adding text to your TikTok videos is one of the best ways to create engaging videos on the app. Here's how to use the text tool on TikTok. Open the TikTok app and tap on the plus icon. Record or upload your video. Tap the text icon and type the words you want to place on your video. Select the font and color. Move the text around the screen and place it where you want it. Hold the caption for a few seconds and set a duration for the text on the video. Use the sliding scale to have your text appear or disappear at your desired time. If you have a lot of text, you can repeat this operation. Play it back to make sure you've got the timing right. Once done, tap on the tick in the bottom right corner. It's time to post your video. What other tips do you want to know? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.